the mix, and on the mix today we have Lady V, and Lady V speaks relationship. Yes, she talks about relationships today, so go and check it out. It's a very interesting video, and as she always does, she always has interesting topics, so go ahead and check it out for yourself and see what she has to say. Big up, Lady V. Have a wonderful day.
Respect him. Because him is not even a roommate. That's why she could have put him out. Roommate pay half of the bill. Come now, no, listen, man. Mommy, tell him, say, when you have two roommates, is when the man and the woman split the bill 50-50. Me pay half and you pay half. But we two always sleep at night time. That is the roommate situation. But when you have a partner that is a head of the house like mine, you choose to take up things around the house where you want to take up. But he handles things because he is the man. So in that house, you have to speak to him with some level of respect. And he is in fact the head of the house because he is holding up his end of the bargain. You understand me? I say, mommy, pull him aside and give him a crash course in manhood. Here, and me not the one with the below and belt. Son, you get it wrong, son, me nah lie. Son, you should have shame at the speech where you make. Son, if I'm me or you, would I retract it. And me would I go back at the senior house there and beg the woman one nice little pardon and ask her, please to help me get one job. One job. Me, if you can't maintain certain things, don't start it in the relationship, because when you're ready to stop, there will be problems. Me need that start nothing like that. As me tell you, say, a man in my life is an asset. And why am I going to be an asset? I only date men that compliments me. Yeah? Because me no need a man, you know. Me no want a man, you know. That is the difference. Some people need them. Some people want them. A man in my life is not a need factor or a want factor. He is a compliment. When something compliments you, it makes you look better. And that's why I don't want no husband. Me no want a boyfriend. Me no want a baby daddy. Me no want a fiancé. I want a partner. Because you see, a partner prays for you. Don't forget that. A partner prays for you. A partner protects you. A partner provides for you. A partner pleases and pleasures and pampers you. You're listening to me good. Me know everybody want broke. What you call this wrist? If you cock out some ring and adjust the ring there by your finger, there's no husband and no love there. You just have a ring with your hand broke. Chicken foot hand. I don't want no ring and chicken foot hand. I don't want no husband and a baby daddy and no fiancé and no nothing. I want a partner. I want a man that prays for me at nights and when I'm not well, and in the morning remind me, baby, let's pray. I want a man that prays me through my struggles when I'm going through something. I want a man that empowers me to be above the level of some that I know every man can have access. I want a man that remember he's supposed to be my protector. When we hear one bong outside and I say, baby, you hear the sound? You can't tell me to go look. Are you supposed to go look? You supposed to go and look to see what or who is there. You cannot send me to look. The minute you tell me to look, I wear the pants in here. When I'm driving down the road and me get a flat, me take up my phone and I call and I say, hey babe, I'm at X place and I get a flat. So when him come, him give me the vehicle where him come there and him take the one with the flat. Go figure that out. Me not supposed to figure out flat tires. If my car want wash, I call and I say, my vehicle want wash me, I go take the one where you are drive and give you this, get some people come wash it. Go down a long time, I don't see me, I say a dash me when I go down a walk, keep brother. That's what make us say. I love the man that God placed in my path or me choose. Because I need a man that understands if you want to be the head of this household, then act like it. You cannot tell me, say, if you go car wash, go wash car, go tire shop, go sit down round, man, go a mechanic shop, go ting, and then he's the man of the house. You are not employed. Go out and make this make sense. A man say he have a woman and the woman have one job. And the one job can't pay all of the bills them because him have things to do. So he might tell the woman say she forget a second job because him no want work. Thanks, Carol. Make it make sense. Young son, I advise you that you're young and before you start to go down the path of life believing you can be a gigolo, before you start to go down the path of life that you're going to be a gigolo, you're going to take some big woman for them pay for so. Me, I tell a young son, get a proper job, because all big woman will take plate cloth and slap someone in a real life. People take dust cloth and lick, and it's not right for you lick people's son with a dust. Son, I think you got it way wrong when you made that video. You shouldn't have. Even if you felt that way, son, I thought you should have thought about it. I thought you should have said something to her. Maybe you should have said, because when we did start out, you used to do this to me. It kind of new to me. And you know, but if you help me get a job, maybe you can say I'm not so bright. Maybe I'm not read and write well. But if you can help me and help me fill out application and so, I hope it's a joke. I honestly hope it's a joke, because if it is serious, it not look good on him. I honestly hope it is a joke. And try and get yourself stabilized. Son, can I tell you something, son? Not no sweet like your own money. Queen K. Edwards. Not no sweet like your own money. Baby, so when Friday come and your manager take long for carry the little check, the little envelope come give you all I get higgy. Don't work already, you know. What am I do? Ready for left your so. Not sweet like your own income. In a real life, me never did forget no 9 to 5. Me never did forget no work. But true, me know say my money are the sweetest money. But go still and push out.